What percentage of 60 is 39? Find the correct answer from option A 45%, B 39%, C 65% or D 78%. Let's assume percentage is x of causes multiplication. Principal number is 60 equals to 39. Now divide by 60 on both sides of equation upon 60 upon 60. This is cancelled. Divide by 3, it is 30, it's 20. Again divide by 2, it is 6.5 by 10 equals to 0.65. As we need it in percentage, then to convert it, we have to multiply by 100. 0.65 into 100 is equal to 65. So 65%, option C is the correct answer.